Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's move on. Let's talk about Uber and Lyft stocks plunging. Whew! Stocks plunging because Waymo, the unicorn, is going to be opening up in Miami.
So this is where I plug my finance channel in. Please go subscribe at Sergio Avedian. My last video has gone viral. It's got almost 600 views. But that's because the title of it is "There is no free meal on Wall Street." And Uber has been acting like shit anyway since it hit 87. Since the day Elon announced the RoboCab, right? Uber spiked that morning to 87, and now we're at 50. Let me see where we are now. 57? Is it 67 or 57? Let me take a look. So, sorry, people. I'm looking at my watch list. Uber is down another to 64. So, 23 points. You know what 23 points is, Chris, in Uberland?
A lot.
It's $43 billion of market capitalization. That's what it is. Yeah. And that day, a few days ago, when Waymo said, "Oh, we're going to Miami now," 10%, bro. That was down 2.1 billion shares, $21 billion worth of equity got wiped out. Uber is acting like shit. Lyft is actually acting better. So Uber, and we had Phil on, right, from Maxonomics. And we were not debating while we're talking about it. Uber, you're going to figure out real quick. What you have right now is as good as it gets. Charge as much as you can. Pay as little as you can. All this hocus pocus of, oh, yeah, we love AVs. We love this. The margins on that is shit, Uber. Waymo is going to throw you some crumbs of 75 cents a trip. Now you're making boku bucks on each trip by ripping both sides off. And I said this, and I've been saying this. Margin suppression. Can you spell margin suppression? Because a month ago, they announced exclusive Uber Waymo deal in Atlanta. Right? So why was this such a bad news all of a sudden? That the stock goes down $20 billion worth of market cap, wipes it out, right? So, yeah, don't wish for it, Uber. You may get it. Because the margins are not as high as on autonomous vehicles. Although you may get rid of your biggest cost, the driver, it ain't going to be like that. So they both got beat. Lyft got beat, but Lyft recovered. Uber is not recovering. And today, Chris, after the close, Cruise, your favorite rideshare company, Cruise, not rideshare company, autonomous vehicle company, GM said, okay, we're closing the books on Cruise. We're not going to fund this autonomous vehicle operations, period. We're done. We're done with this shit. Okay? Mm-hmm. Uber goes down some more after the market. So Waymo goes, we're going into Miami. Uber tanks. Cruise says, okay, we're not going. We're going to stop the AV dream, that dreamland. Uber goes down some more. I wouldn't buy Uber with your money. So, yeah, there you go.
I thought Uber was overvalued to begin with.
Well, we'll see.
So either way, I think the reality is coming in when it comes to Uberland, because let's face it, they're shooting themselves in their own foot. So
43 billion in market cap. That's a lot of dough, baby. That's a lot of dough.
So you know what? Hey, I can't always hate on Waymo because they did a wonderful thing. The unicorn came through. The unicorn came through.
Unicorn came through
and knocked off $43 billion in market cap.
And that's more of a reason to not buy Uber. Jim Cramer, the guy that blocked me on Twitter.
Oh, yeah. That's
He
why
said
you
Uber
want
is a steal. It's a steal. Go buy it with both hands, Jimmy boy. Go buy it with both hands. So if you guys want to learn about this finance shit, so go please subscribe to my finance channel. We talk quite a bit about Bitcoin lately. And okay, let me tell you something. That last video, bro, I nailed it. I nailed Bitcoin. I nailed MicroStrategy. I nailed all of it. Go watch it. You guys will learn a lot. So yeah, $43 billion. A lot of Uber employees are unhappy because their RSUs, restricted stock units, which is also called options, stock options, are probably underwater now. What's happening, Uber? What's happening? $65 a share, unheard of. This all company's only worth 130 billion now. I mean, 130 billion. Holy shit. Yeah, he did block me on Twitter. Rideshare Chronicles. Badge of honor. You get blocked by Kramer, that's your badge of honor on Twitter. He did block me because I called him out because he's a fucking knucklehead.
Yeah, it's basically follow Nancy and
Yes.
go everything.
Do opposite of Jim
fair.
and follow Nancy. Do opposite of Jim, follow Nancy. That's your ticket
All right,
to financial freedom. There you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.